Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Ethereum. Wanted to do a quick update here on the current situation for Ethereum. Obviously, after the Bybit hack yesterday, if you don't know what happened, one of Bybit's multi-sig cold storages got hacked by Lazarus, North Korea, basically. The cold storage that was hacked, so the money that they got was their Ethereum, right? So the Ethereum of users, I believe, over $1 billion, and that's obviously a reason to be concerned for Ethereum. Now Ethereum will survive a sale of $1 billion of Ethereum. But it's a lot, right? It's going to put a huge dent into the price if they do sell that. So the big question is well, first of all, do they still have that? And that's a difficult question, but we'll get into that. And then second of all, what does it mean for the price? All right, because right now you can see the volume for Ethereum is up 120%, because obviously a lot of people are afraid of this and are currently trading it as well. So far, Ethereum has been holding up relatively fine. I mean, you can take a look at the technical structure right here. The main resistance level we have is 2850. We actually came close to breaking above that twice last week. Ethereum was actually, at certain points, stronger than Bitcoin, so nice to see. But ultimately, right now, we're in this area between 2550 and 2850, with the potential of dropping back down into this main support level right here, which you can see between 2400 and 2300. So the question is well, can we actually drop down into that? I mean, I would say if that $1 billion is sold off, which I don't think will happen, at least not soon, and also not in one clip. But if that's sold off, I think that's the main support level. All right, I think that's where we're going to drop down into, maybe spike down to that level around 2000, but the main support level that's going to be holding is 2300. So the question is well, will we drop down into that level? And it's hard to say, all right, because at this point of time, I dug through some of the wallets they made, the Lazarus group. And what they did is they took the $1 billion of Ethereum and they spread it across all sorts of different wallets. All right, so I think all the wallets have like $30 million of Ethereum, so they have over 30 wallets. So far, most of the wallets I checked, they have not sold, and that's in general also not in their best interest. I mean, at this point of time, where are they going to sell this Ethereum? Yeah, on the centralized exchanges is possible, but then they will just crash the price. So basically, they will get less money because the money they have is also in Ethereum. So you have this weird shared benefit where it's both good for the crypto market and for the hackers that Ethereum remains relatively stable. So eventually, look, this is bearish, all right, because this $1 billion in Ethereum is very unlikely to be brought back to Bybit. So at some point of time, it will be sold. However, I think the way it will be sold, and in general, what's going to happen with it, I don't expect a huge crash. It is a possibility, all right, and you should be prepared for it. You never know, all right. You're basically counting on the goodwill of the hackers, right? They could also sell it. They could sell it all. So I would personally not buy Ethereum right here, but for now I do think it's most likely, given how the situation has developed, that we will remain stable. I don't expect a bullish breakout. I think that's harder than ever right now because we would need to break above so many strong resistance levels, and I don't think we'll have enough strength for that. But I think we will stabilize between 2850 and 2600. If the funds get recovered, we can actually break out and rally. If not, we'll just move together with the market, and that's what I'll keep you updated on. But ultimately, a consolidation right here, short term is most likely, and then honestly, I think it's more likely we're going to drop down in 2400 and 2300 later. If Bitcoin drops down to 93 and 92,000, rather than getting the bullish breakout. It's just with the current circumstances, a bullish breakout will just be very, very hard to orchestrate. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.